So to get your plant tags for your CSV, you can filter through the flowering tab by selecting Filter next to the strain. And you can type your strain into the filter to grab all of the flowering plant tags that you would like to harvest. You can use this printer button up here to download them into an Excel sheet. Once you have downloaded that Excel sheet, you can grab those plant tags and dump them into a new Excel sheet or a new Google sheet. And you want to dump that into column A, but in row 2, so that we can build your headers in column or in row 1. Then we're going to go back into METRC, and we're going to go up into the top right-hand corner where you see the paper with the up arrow. Is where we're going to get our column headers. And we're just going to put all of our column headers at the top of each column. So you want to dump all of your information in. You want to dump in your harvest weight per plant, and then you want to leave your patient license number column blank. And then here we're going to just double check in the Harvest tab the exact date format that is shown in the example here for the CSV upload. So if we go back to our Excel, you can see that it would like to change the date format. Those first two are correct. So what you can do is you can right click on that, go to Format, and then you can actually type in the way that you would want it. So year, slash month, day. And then it will keep it. And then if you want to drag it down, you see how it changes it? You actually need to select 2 boxes, and then you can drag it down safely and it will stay the correct date. Now once you have all of your info in here, you want to make sure that you're taking out that very top row. You don't need that to be in the CSV. And now we're going to save it as a CSV, comma, delimited. And on Google Sheets, it's CSV as well. There's many options. So once we have saved this as a CSV, we're going to go back into METRC, double check that we're in the Harvest tab, and we're going to select files from our downloads.